Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel, Pouya Sadri Dev. I'm Pouya Sadri, and today we have a brand new SwiftUI animation tutorial, early 2024 and beginner friendly. As you can see on my screen, we have a heartbeat animation today, and yep, we're gonna build it in just a few minutes. Sorry about that. And yep, that's it. We're gonna build this heartbeat animation. You can integrate it in your health app or any other app that you like, or you can just learn from it to how to implement this heartbeat animation into your Swift UI project or iOS app. So enough talking. Before we jump to the coding, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Pouya Sadri Dev, and yep, like this video and share this video with your friends. And if you have any question, if you have any comments, if you have any opinion about this video or on general, you can ask me or write me down on the comment section. And also check my YouTube playlist for Swift and SwiftUI. That's gonna level you up in your coding. There are plenty of videos there that you can see it and learn a lot from it and level up your coding level. So this is it, and don't worry about the codes. I will put a link in the description to my GitHub repository. And yep, that's it. So jump to the coding. As you can see, we have a gradient background here. We have the health heartbeat SwiftUI and my name here, and the main part is the heart that is animating. So jump to the Xcode. I open my Xcode and I will create a new project here. So let me just do that. Yep, app, and I said heartbeat, heartbeat, app. Yep, that's it. I think. You see, yep, that's it. So make sure the interface is set to SwiftUI and the language is set to Swift, and hit the next and hit the create button. Here, let me just transfer the assets here. So we have two assets, and here it goes. Let me just copy it, and here I replaced it. So here in my asset.x asset, we have two assets, one for the heart and two for the pulse. My pulse is the name, so here it goes. And here we have this one. So don't forget, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. So my Instagram is Pouya Sadri, and that's it. So I will upload a bunch of good videos, memes, funny things, or tips and tricks there, so don't miss that. So here we have to say mark for the cleanest content here. So here, and after that, here in our content field, we have to define two variables. So add state, private variable is animating heart, equal to false, yep. And add state again, private var is animating false, equal to false again. Yep, that's it. And here we don't want the VS stack, we have a ZS stack here. So first thing first, we have a gradient background here, and I found it here from the UI gradient, and you can choose whatever gradient you want. And then if you want, for example, this, you can change the hex code to RGB, and then I will show you how to implement in your code. So first thing first, we have a background view here. So mark background view, and we have a struct here. Struct background view, and this is confirmed to view type, and here it goes. And in our body we have a linear gradient with gradients and gradients, and with colors we have two colors here. So color, so for the RGB you can pass the, let me just see, red, green and blue here. So for our first color, that would be 2029 divided by 255, and then 93 divided by 255, and then we have 535 divided by 255. So let me just show you that. So the first color, let me just go back and to rose water. Yep, that's it. So the first one is this color. So I convert it. Let me just see. Yep, 2029, 93, and 135 divided by 255. That's it. And for the second one, let me just copy and paste this one and convert it to RGB 95. So for the next one, let me just copy and paste this one. So for the first one, we have 95, 100, 95, 195. Yep, and 2028, I think, yep, 2028. 28. So the start point would be top, and the endpoint would be the bottom. So just let me just add it to this one. So background view here, and let me just see in our preview. Yep, that's it. So for fixing the two white space here, we have to say the modifier of ignore safe area, and here it goes. That's good. And then we have VStack here. So let me just put a VStack here, and then we have to create our header text view. So we have the mark header text view here, and we have a struct header text view, confirm to view type, and then we have a text, and this is gonna be health heartbeat SwiftUI. So health heartbeat SwiftUI, and then we have to say fonts would be dot headline, and the font weight would be dot medium. Now let me just add it to this one. So header text view. Yep, and the foreground color, foreground style with a white, and then we have padding. So after that, we're gonna take a look at this footer, and then we're gonna tackle to the animation thing. So mark footer text view here. So we have another struct. So footer text view, and confirm to view type. And here we have another text. You can change my name. So I say Pouya, or I say create by Pouya Sadri myself. And let me just see. And again, we have dot font. Dot font would be the headline or sub headline, and the font weight would be dot light, and the foreground style would be again dot light, and again we have a padding here. So let me just add it to this one. So footer text view, and I think we are good to go. And let me just make some space between them. So here it goes. Sweet. And after that, we have to create an heart animation view. So here, after the header text, we have to say mark heart animation view here, and we have a struct, again heart animation view, and confirm to view type here, and here I think we have a z stack. Yep. And we bind two variables here, is animating heart and is animating pulse. So add binding variable of is animating heart equal to false, and add binding variable is animating pulse equal to false again. This is it. So nope, type boolean, sorry about that. And again here you have to say boolean. Well, let me just create some space here. Yep, that's it. So we are good to go. We have to create two structs, one for heart view and second for the pulse view. So here mark, and we say heart view, and we say struct heart view, and confirm to view type. And here we have an image with the heart name, and we have a binding here and binding variable here, and we have variable is animating boolean type. So let me just add it to this one. So we have the heart view is animating $sign is animating heart is animating heart, and we have to say it here. So we have another spacer here, and then between two spacer we have the heart animation view, and here we have $sign is animating heart, and for the next we have $sign is animating pulse. Yep, I say plus pulse. Yep, sorry about that. Yep, that's it. Let me just see plus. And here I think, yep. I will fix the error in the meantime. Yep, that's it. So animating pulse, $sign animating pulse. Yep, I think we're good to go. Yep, here it goes. And we have a scale effect, and if is animating then would be 1, both would be 1.3, and here we have dot animation, and let me see dot animation, and we have the here we have the animation dot interpolating string. Yep, and we want the shiftness would be 30, dumping would be 10, and the value would be is animated. Yep, here it goes, and then we have dot speed here, I think dot speed, and let me just see up here. We have dot speed, have 1.5, and that repeat forever, and auto reverse equals false, and the value it would be is animating. Let me just, yep, that's it. I think we are good to go, and yep. And here we have onAppear modifiers. So onAppear, we have to perform something, and we have to say is animating the type. And we have the heartbeat here. Yep. So so far we built the heartbeat animation, and we're gonna remain us to build this pulse animation. So don't forget to subscribe me and hit the like button if you like this video. So I say mark pulse view here, and we have the strike, and I say pulse view, and we confirm to view type here, and let me just see an image we have, and say my pulse. Let me just add it to this one. So pulse view, and we have binding here, variable is animating type of boolean, and here we have is animating $sign is animating pulse. So for our image, we have to say image.resizable, and we have to frame it with width 100 and height 100, and then we have dot clip shape, and we have this to say rectangle dot offset, and for the offset x is animating, then would be 0, then would be minus 125, and then we have animation dot animation, let me see, dot animation, and then we have the animation value. So we have the animation dot, again, interpolating a spring, and we have the shiftness of 30 and dumping of 10, and then here we have dot speed, again 1 to 1.3, and dot repeat forever, and auto reverse, here it is equal to true, and the value would be is animating. It goes, and here we have dot offset, and we have x minus 12, and here onAppear that is animating dot title. Yep, that's it. We have the cool animation here, so let me just change the destination to my iPhone 15 Pro, the simulator, of course. So I press Command and R, and gonna build us. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and comment me down if you have any question, if you have any opinion, and your comments. Yep, that's it. Cool animation with Swift and SwiftUI. Swift and SwiftUI animation are so easy, so you guys concentrate on the animation. Now I think we will pass the animation, and this is enough for the animation. I want to focus on the different aspect of Swift and SwiftUI. So in the next tutorial, we're gonna make a new subject for our tutorial. So don't make sure to don't miss that. And yep, that's it. Hope you enjoy it, and until the next one, practice until you make it, and yep, take care guys.